Hey gang, so I want to give you some directions before you get started on your assignment today. When you open up your assignment, you will see a long list of instructions. You will also see, if you scroll down, a long bunch of attachments. You are not going to do all of the things in those instructions, and you are not going to watch all of those video attachments. So I want to just give you some real quick instructions before you dive into those. So the first thing, here are your absolute required things that you have to do. You are going to do some written work right off the bat. So you have to watch the first video, and you'll need paper and pencil for this. When you're done watching that video, just follow the directions. You are going to post your work to the Flipgrid link that I've set up for your class. This is a different Flipgrid than you might have for your classroom that your classroom teacher has set up. This is a different one that I've set up just for me to see so it doesn't get lost in all your other things that you've done in your classroom. So use the link that I've provided for you. This will only be visible to me. Your classmates will not be able to see your work for this one. It's only going to be visible to me. The second thing you have to do is there are going to be 3 short videos. They are about using found objects all around that people use to make instruments. Some of them are like recycled things that you would find maybe perhaps in a junkyard even. One of them is recycling cups, clue, spoiler alert. And one of them is just body percussion. If you don't have any instruments or anything available at all to make music, you can use your own body. You have to watch those 3. You can't skip over those, because you're going to be doing those when you try to make your decision on which choice activities you try. Okay? Now, you have some choices. The choices don't mean, oh, I can choose to do those or not if I don't want to. No, choice means you can choose one of them, but you have to do one. You just get to choose which one. Okay? So you have to choose one. I'm having struggles with this today. You can choose to make an instrument of your choice. You can choose to learn the cup's rhythm, and it's not the one in the video. That's too hard. But it's one that I've come up with, and I've listed many videos that go in a sequential order to help you learn it easier. So watch the first one, learn the first half. Watch the second one, learn the second section. Then there's a third one that puts those together, and it just kind of like when we played Simon in classroom with our mallet songs. It's kind of like that. We're just going to add to it. Or you can learn how to ham bone. That's the body percussion one, and that's in the video that we talked about here. So if you've watched the 3 videos earlier, then you can have a better idea which one of these you want to choose. So watch all 3, then you can make your decision what you want to do. Now for the instrument, I have also included several videos from YouTube on some ideas to give you some ideas on instruments. Some of them are really tricky and you would need an adult to help. Don't ask your parents or your families, hey, I got to make this instrument, come and help me. That's not what they're there for. They're just to spark your ideas and to give you some ideas of some things you can do. So that kind of thing. There are also some instructions. So read those instructions to do with this stuff. After you choose it and you've learned it and you've made it, then video yourself doing this and post it to the Flipgrid link I've posted. This is a different link because this one's going to be open for everyone in your class to see so that you can watch each other do whatever they did. I think that'll be fun for you to see what your classmates did. So you have really 4 things to do. You have a written assignment number 1. Then you have to watch the 3 short videos so you can decide which choice activity. The first one's really super long. It's like 20-25 minutes, but you only have to watch the first 5 or 6 minutes or so. Then you have to choose and do one of these and then videotape yourself doing that. The whole thing shouldn't take very long. It just, when you look at it, it's huge instructions and lots of videos. But like I said, you are not going to do all of those. So don't panic when you open up the assignment. Don't freak out on me. Now, of course, if you're one of those real go-getters and you want to look at all of them and you want to try all of them, certainly go ahead, but don't do that. All right, gang, can't wait to see your stuff. Bye.